How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how to replace a module in your K-Force light bar. Now, for example, here I'm using our K-Force Micro 14 TIR, and I have an all amber setup here. Now here I have an amber module. So the first step will be you'll want to get the top cover off with your screws here, and then on the inside you'll have a quick disconnect on your module. So let's go over the first step here. Now I'll want to get my light bar completely off of power and disconnected as well, and then I can begin to take the top cover off and then get into the modules. Now once you have your top cover off, and you'll notice that you'll simply have your screws there and then your top cover will pop right off. Now behind each module you have a quick disconnect. So you'll simply disconnect the connector there, and then you'll unscrew your module from the two positions it's screwed into. And it's simply two screws there and your module will pop right out. Now once you've removed the old module, you can simply take that out, and then you have your new module to replace it. And we do have these available in our replacement parts section, and you also have a 5-year warranty on your units, so if you run into any issues, be sure to give us a call and we'll make sure to help you out. So the next step here will be to get your new module into the position, and you'll use those same two screws that you took out from your old module to get it back into the position. Then when you have your screws in, you'll simply connect your connector back there. So then you'll see that it'll simply connect into the connector, into the position that you replaced. And then you can make sure that your wires are not in the way of your screw holes when you're screwing your light bar back down, or the top cover back down onto your light bar. Just make sure your wires are away from the screw holes from on these points to get your cover back on. So let me go ahead and get that back on real quick. Now once you have your top cover back on, you're ready to go, and you can plug your light bar back in. And then you'll see you'll have your replacement module in there. Now again, we have all of these modules in our replacement parts section, and you also have a 5-year warranty on your lights. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.